Hello guys, and we are here again for another video, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send videos from camera rolls as snaps on your Snapchat. So this tutorial is just going to be easy, but before we proceed to that, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Now let's head on. Now we are here in our Snapchat. Let's go ahead and try to send a video as a snap. So just click the gallery icon like at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you want to send a video as your snap from your camera roll. So let's go ahead and go to our camera roll. And for example, I'm gonna send this video as a snap. So snaps are just supposed to be short. So you want to trim your video if it's long, more than 10 seconds or so. Now let's go ahead and expand these settings and click this to trim your video. So I'll just trim it for like 5 seconds because I just want my friend to see this beautiful view. And then that's done trimming. If you want to add a caption, go ahead and add a caption. I'm gonna add a caption for my friend. I'm just gonna say, "Nice view, eh?" So there's the caption. Trim the video. You can tweak any of the settings here if you would like. And then once you're done with that, you can now try and send it as a snap. So just click next. You can also add a chat for your snap. And now just select a friend you want to send your snap to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one.